Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mr. J telling you about assignment 4.10. This is your next greatest and latest teacher graded assignment. This assignment is worth 50 points, ladies and gentlemen, so when it asks you for 3 paragraphs, don't just give me one long blurb and say, okay, there you go, because I will downgrade it for format if you do not give me the 3 paragraphs. Ladies and gentlemen, let's look at the very first line here. The dictionary defines revolution as a sudden, radical, or complete change. Can the information revolution truly be considered revolution? So, can the information revolution truthfully be called a revolution? Think about this, ladies and gentlemen. Think about all the technology we have today. Think about your life, what technology you would not live the life you have without. Is it a phone? Ladies and gentlemen, my life would be a lot different if I did not have a cell phone. Is it the computer? Well, we're going to school on computer, we're learning with computer, and computers are necessarily in just about everything. Think about medical technology. Think about medical information, the fact that we live longer. Would that be considered a revolution? Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. J, what I want with this assignment, what I want you to write for me, or PowerPoint for me, or create a video for me, or create a poem or song for me about, is I want you to tell me which piece of technology, which piece of information is out there that has changed the world the most. And if you want to say what piece of information, what piece of technology has affected me the most, that is cool. I will take that. That is wonderful. I want one source. And do not make it Wikipedia. Do not make it Brainly. Do not make it any of those. I want a source that I want you to log. I looked up the Smithsonian website. I looked up, oh gracious, I looked up Apple. You know, that is a website as well. That is a source of information. So at the very least, I want you to write me 3 paragraphs about information technology and how it has changed the world. Or make it simpler, ladies and gentlemen. Give me an essay, a PowerPoint, a video, a song, a poem about a piece of technology that has affected your life. Now, this is due March 25th. It became open yesterday. I'm going to post this link in your class announcements, so look for it. Ladies and gentlemen, what I want you to do, what I need you to do, is write the essay. It is worth 50 points. Giving me 3 sentences will not cut it. Giving me back a paper that says, I don't know what you want. Well, that's why I'm creating this video, so you know what I want. Ladies and gentlemen, give me your best on this, okay? We're coming into the last quarter of the second semester. A lot of you are doing great in my class. A lot of you could be doing so much better. All right? Thank you and have a great, great day.